If your Duncan, Oklahoma home is still working with traditional water heaters, what is holding you back from tankless water heaters? Tankless water heaters are a considerable upgrade to make for your home that you'll highly enjoy. Why switch to tankless water heaters in your Stevens County area home? For one, you'll see savings on not only your monthly energy bill, but also your water bill, which also makes these tanks more environmentally friendly. In addition, you can say goodbye to water turning cold on you while showering, as tankless water heaters allow for continuously hot water. Say goodbye to fighting for a hot shower in your home. Thanks to the low-profile design of tankless water heaters, they take up less space, making them more aesthetically pleasing for many Duncan, Oklahoma homeowners. Add in the longer lifespan of these tankless units, with little to no maintenance required and less potential mess. Why have you yet to install these inside your home? If you're ready to install tankless water heaters in your Duncan, Oklahoma home, Robinson Air is here to make it happen. Call us today at 580-699-5760 for a free estimate.